welcome back to the channel. This is Miss Belga and today we are looking at prepositions. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button so that you don't miss out on any other videos. Let's get into this one. Hey everyone, so as we said, we are looking at prepositions. Let us look at the following words. Have you ever looked at these words standing in front of you and wondered which part of speech they belong to? These words are actually prepositions. Let us look at the function of a preposition. What is it? So it is a word that expresses a relation between a noun or pronoun and some other word or element in a sentence. It basically connects the noun to the rest of the sentence, basically. And as we said, it is a connecting word and it acts like a bridge. Do you know what a bridge does? So a bridge, picture this. A bridge takes you from point A to point B. Okay, let us look at 3 examples to see how prepositions act as a bridge. Example number 1, the dog, the table. Now we need a connecting word that will take us across to the table and make this a complete sentence. Okay, so let us look, and this bridge will be the preposition. Okay, the dog is under the table and under is the preposition. Okay, the next one, the book is the bed. Now this sentence, as you can see, it doesn't make sense. We need a bridge to connect it, to connect the first part of the sentence to the rest of the sentence. The book is on the bed, and that is the preposition. Let us look at the last example. He left bridge lunch. What is the bridge? Think about it. What will it be? He left off the lunch. Okay, and that is it for today's video. I hope this makes sense and it gives you more insight on what prepositions are. If you do not understand what they are, please rewatch the video again and practice some bridges by yourself and see if you get it. Until next time, bye!